you've bought your first Bitcoin. Congratulations. But here's the harsh reality. In the world of crypto, you are your own bank. If you get hacked or you lose your key, there is no customer service line to call in Kingston or New York. Your money is gone forever. Welcome back to Russell AI Investor. Today's video is the most critical lesson in your entire crypto journey: security. We're going to master wallets, demystify private keys, and give you 3 security tips that can protect you from 99% of all threats. Let's simplify the most important concept, the private key. The key. Your private key is a long, secret, complex code that proves you own your cryptocurrency. Think of it as the ultimate pin to your digital safety deposit box. The seed phrase: most wallets give you a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase, the seed phrase. This phrase is your private key in a human-readable format. If someone gets your seed phrase, they own all your crypto instantly anywhere in the world. The mantra: not your keys, not your crypto. This means if a third party, like an exchange, even a big one like Gemini or Kraken, holds the keys for you, your funds are at risk if they get hacked. True security means holding your own keys. Crypto wallets come in 2 main types, and you need to use them strategically. Hot wallets are connected to the internet. They are software apps on your phone or computer. Pros: free, extremely convenient for small, quick transactions, like buying an NFT or swapping tokens. Cons: because they are online, they are vulnerable to malware, phishing, and hacking. Best use: only hold the amount you need for immediate trading or spending. Think of it as the cash in your physical wallet, small amounts only. Cold wallets are physical devices that keep your private keys stored completely offline. Pros: the gold standard for security. Your keys never touch the internet, making them immune to online hacks. You must physically plug the device in and press a button to approve any transaction. Cons: they cost money, JMD is necessary for the purchase, and they are less convenient for daily use. Best use: this is your bank vault. Use a hardware wallet for any significant amount of crypto that you intend to hold for the long term. Never type your seed phrase into a computer. Take a photo of it or store it on the cloud, like Google Drive or email. Write it down on paper or metal and store it in 2 separate, secure physical locations. Think fireproof safe, bank vault, or a secure lockbox at home. For any exchange or account you use, especially your email linked to your exchange, activate 2-factor authentication, 2FA. Use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy instead of SMS, text message, 2FA, as phone numbers can be easily compromised in scams. Never log into your exchange or wallet on public Wi-Fi networks, like at a cafe or the airport. These networks are insecure and easily monitored by cyber criminals. If you must transact away from home, use your mobile data or a secure virtual private network shop VPN. Security is not an afterthought. It is the foundation of your success as a crypto investor. Treat your private keys like the deed to your home. Get a hardware wallet for your long-term wealth and learn these security habits. If you found this guide helpful, like this video and subscribe to Russell AI Investor for more essential investment insights that keep your portfolio safe and growing. What other crypto security questions do you have? Drop them in the comments.